Alright, so here's my next project that I'm going to tackle. I've bought a new window that is now technically an egress window, so I'd like to install it. It's a double slider lift out. So this previous window was installed when the concrete foundation is poured. I've never replaced a window before, but I've watched a lot of YouTube videos, so I think I'm good to go. Alright, I've got both window panes out, so we're committed now, but it's very hard to get this trim out. Cutting it with the Sawzall and trying to pry it out, so we'll see how that goes. It's really in there. Alright, so I got the old window frame out there. A little bit of trouble, but got it out. Next step, got to remove this excess bit of concrete there. That way my new window will go in there. Just chip that out. Looking good so far. Alright, so I've chipped off as much as I can with the chisel, and I'm finishing it off with the concrete angle grinder. My window is going to be very tight, so I got to make sure this is perfect. So a little bit here to go, and then we'll do the sides. So this is the moment of truth to see if the window fits. Should be an 1/8 inch gap around. Oh, it's going to work! Woohoo! Alright, so the window is in. I used the low expansion window and door foam. Maybe used a bit too much, but I'll cut that off. And most importantly, window slides open freely, so that's good. Alright, the window installation is finished, and as you can see, I've cut back all of the excess foam there. Now we'll go take a look at the outside. Pretty happy with the result. Got the caulking in there, and it's rained a few times since the installation is finished, and it's watertight, so that's all I can hope for. Thanks for watching. See you next time.